Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's check in on some of the individual stocks on the move today and bring in Bloomberg's equities reporter, Joe Easton, who's standing by. And Joe, I'm going to start with the drinks maker, Remy Cointreau. And it seems things are going from bad to worse for this business.
Yeah, so Remy out today with a statement saying that they are pulling their guidance for the medium term. So the company's saying, due to a lack of macroeconomic visibility, the geopolitical uncertainties around tariffs and an absence of a volume recovery in the US, they can no longer continue with their guidance, so actually pulling that down. But the thing with this stock is it is already down around 45% over the past year, given it was already on the downturn when the post-pandemic decline in volumes really took speed. So there's basically too much inventory in the US. Then, of course, the tariff issues really hit drinks. So this is kind of priced in. And actually the stock is gaining around 0.4% today. So it's kind of a case of it's already been so bad the market's kind of price that in. This is the company obviously behind their namesake brands, Remy and also Cointreau, which is the orange flavoured drink. They also do the Botanist gin, which I wasn't aware of, but that is quite popular. Quite often see that.
It's one of those posh gins that you now find.
It's one of those posh gins that competes, yeah. I had to put my date of birth into the website in order to check those brands, so that's always a little bit depressing.
Just over the age limit.
Yeah.
Now that you're 19, Joe.
Just like when you can see the minimum age is like 2007 and you do
One of my very first jobs was selling alcohol. It was doing tours of
interesting.
Not
Okay.
quite a vineyard, but of kind of the place where they make spirits. Yeah,
like wholesale.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay.
There you go. First
Fantastic,
job. One of my first jobs. Anyway, understanding how much tax takes out of your pay was my main lesson from that first job. Let's think about Airbus. Could be taking off thanks to a prospective deal.
Airbus, yes, in the ascendancy. So Airbus, we're up 2.9%, actually rising more now, actually. So we're up almost 4% now on Airbus shares. So the Bloomberg transport team has a big story out. This is on China, basically ordering a lot of planes. That's my hot take on this. So it could be up to 500 aircraft. Probably it's going to be more in line with around 300 planes. So still a lot. Potentially narrow body and wide body jets as well. So narrow body being the short haul, wide body long haul. So this is an absolutely massive deal if it does come through. So say at the moment it is only an exclusive report from our transport team, but a big exclusive for them. So hats off to them, and that is moving the stock up. We're up around 4%. The stock, we always kind of look at it against the old rival Boeing. Airbus has been the outperformer over the past couple of years, and this story today kind of helping to feed into that narrative.
So China hasn't ordered a Boeing since I think 2017.
Wow. Okay, so this is to do with the political,
there's definitely
the geopolitical issue.
The trade tension is definitely part of that. Yeah, a key market in terms of growth for airlines, of course. Joe Easton, thank you very much indeed with some of the stocks on the move for us today.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.